This is ATRT squad reporting in. No sign of separatist activity.
Affirmative, sir. Enemy droid sighted.
Roger, Command. We are on the move.
Visual lock. Droids.
Droid poppers! Now! Come on!
Those things can move.
Get back in formation! Hold the line! Damn droids! You'll pay for that!
Mechanical filth.
The comms knocked out. Where are you?
We got a rogue clone here. Need med tech now.
Yeah, could use a little help here.
3-8, can you hear me? I'm reading low vital signs from your squad.
Squad leader needs assistance.
No, don't worry. I'll keep going.
Delta Lead, revive your squad.
My arm. I can't feel my arm.
Delta Squad. I think we just lost Delta Squad. I need a vacation!
Scabs, don't let him get close.
Lay down suppression fire. Choke on this one, Clanker.
Watch your fire, squad. We're not the marks here.
Blast them! Blast them!
Recalibrate your target, trooper.
Come on, you shinies! You want to live forever?
Ceasefire, you're hitting the squad. Oh, hey! We get enough fire from the enemies. We don't need it from our own. Ah! Watch out! Need aid, now!
Targets in view. Moving on.
Wildcard squad, report to the main gunship hangar immediately for deployment.
Yes, sir.
I guess you don't want this pointed.
It's up, Commandos. Stay loose. I hear trouble. Geonosian targets ahead.
This is Commander Cody. All squads are to converge on the Geonosian hive. Let's clear these bugs out.
On my way, boss. What was that?
There's something here.
What in the... We've got Geonosians!
Let's show them some real firepower.
Blast these vermin! Ugly Geonosian bugs! That one should have played dead. Now it's extra dead. Enemy tagged and bagged, sir.
Hold that position.
Commander Gree. To the briefing room, report. A mission we have.
Yes, sir.
Can you hear me? I'm reading low vital signs from your squad. Assist your squad, Delta Lead. 3-8? Come in, 3-8. I think Delta Squad has been eliminated. Delta Squad. I think we just lost Delta Squad.
Commandos, watch those landmines.
Disarming trap. No distractions now, okay? Keep your distance, just in case. It's live! Get some distance! Trap disarmed, sir.
Damn minefields.
Score one for our side.
Sir, are you sure we're cloned from the same bat?
Initiate radical restructuring, Commander.
Roger, Command. AAT's on the South Ridge. Send in air support.
Commence slicing protocols, Delta.
Absolutely, sir.
Let's find out what's on the other side.
Initiating breach maneuver. Watch the master at work. Just like the simulator. Almost done here. 3, 2, 1. Green means go. Door is unlocked. Clean breach. Let's go.
They've called in the big guys.
With all due respect, sir, what's the holdup here?
Enemies within visual range.
Prepare for snipe maneuver, Delta.
Good to go, sir.
Let's take them down from here, Delta.
Target terminated.
Pack it up, Delta.
Roger that.
Be advised. Setting charge. Very close now. Working. Charge is armed, sir.
What the? And that's why there's special training for explosives.
Commander Fox, we have a disturbance in the detention area. Your presence is requested immediately.
But you're here now, so no need for that, eh? Thanks for the rescue.